Browning 380 field strip and reassembly. This is how you field strip and reassemble the Browning 380 1911. It's very simple. Always drop the magazine. Make sure there's nothing in the magazine. Open the action, the slide. Make sure there is nothing in the chamber. And always look through the magazine well as well. So there's nothing in there. So you're safe. Okay. This is how I do it. Other people may do it a different way. I usually kick it up like this, painting away from me, and that's how I do it. But so you can see what I'm going to do. I'm going to tip it towards the camera. So I just tip it up like this. Okay. Push the little spring plunger down, hold it down, and push it to about 7 o'clock, like so. Let the spring plunger out really slow so I don't go doing, go flying across the room. Pull the spring plunger cap out. Okay, I usually just, you might have to wiggle the spring a little bit and then kick that over to about 4 o'clock position. It's gonna, I guess, 4 o'clock. Yeah. Push it over like that. Just wiggle this out like that. Set it over here. Okay. Now you're ready to just wiggle this and slide it back a little bit. Slide it back to where the slide release notch is lined up with that little notch right there. You can see it right below my finger. So yeah, make sure those two are lined up. A little nubbin on the slide latch and that. Just flip the gun this way. I'll just push that little thing, a little nubbin that's sticking out. And that comes right out. What I do now is push that forward. Okay, that comes off there. You pull the guide spring backwards, push the barrel forward, and it comes apart just like that. Reassembly, very simple, just pretty much backwards. Barrel in this way. Push it gently till it stops. Guide spring. There's a notch in the guide spring. The guide pin, I should say. There's a notch there. That notch goes towards the barrel all the time. So you put it in, the spring through here like this, with the notch down, and then you'll notice there's a little nubbin on the end of there too. And that little nub goes right in there like that, and it goes inside the little hole in the barrel. Now, once again, we're just going to go backwards what we did. We're going to turn this to about 4 o'clock over here, like that. Slide it down there. You might have to wiggle the spring a little bit to get it over there. Then we're going to push it back over to 7 o'clock, like that. Then we're going to push the guide spring cap down. I'm going to push the cap down like that and slide that right over on top of it like that. Okay. We're going to grab this, put the slide on, nice and easy, wiggle it. Everything should go nice and easy. I put this in the hole where it's kind of hanging out like that. See where you can see it real good. I put it like that because I don't like scratching my guns. And then when it's in about that far, I just pull it back until that line, that little dimple on the slide, that little dimple on the slide right there, or right there, lines up. And without dragging that across there, I just put it on there like that and let it in. Now that's reassembled. That's that. Okay, this gun will not fire without the magazine in, but we got to test it. So it doesn't fire with the back strap off. So now we'll put the safety on, put the magazine in it, make sure it doesn't fire with the safety on, the back strap off, turn it, and it should go click now when we pull it. Okay, now we got this. With the magazine, it's always going to stay back. And there we go. That's the field strip of the Browning 380 1911.